Listen up, entrepreneurs. Want to make some serious cash? Forget the lemonade stand. We're talking about building an online empire. And no, you don't need to be a tech whiz. That's where Ecwid comes in. It's like Shopify's cooler, easier to use cousin. Ecwid lets you set up an online store faster than you can say cha-ching. No coding, no headaches, just pure selling power. Whether you're slinging handmade jewelry, vintage kicks, or your grandma's secret hot sauce recipe, Ecwid's got you covered. Think of it as your 24/7 salesperson, working tirelessly while you catch some Z's. But here's the kicker. With the right strategy, that salesperson can rake in $300 a day. Intrigued? You should be. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty and turn you into an Ecwid master. Get ready to kiss your 9-to-5 goodbye. Alright, let's cut to the chase. Setting up your Ecwid store is ridiculously easy. We're talking easier than ordering a pizza. Here's the game plan. First things first, head over to ecwid.com and sign up. Don't worry, they've got a free plan to get you started. Once you're in, it's time to upload your products. High-quality photos are key here. People buy with their eyes. Next up, jazz up your store with a killer design. Ecwid has tons of customizable templates, so you can find one that screams you. Make it sleek, make it fun, make it reflect your brand. Last but not least, set up your payment gateway. This is how you'll get paid, so choose wisely. Ecwid plays nice with all the major players like PayPal and Stripe, and that's it! You've officially launched your online empire. Piece of cake, right? Now let's crank up those sales. Ecwid isn't just some basic online store builder, it's packed with features designed to make you money. Think of it as your secret weapon in the e-commerce game. First up, we've got abandoned cart recovery. How many times have you added stuff to your cart only to get distracted and forget about it? Ecwid swoops in with automated emails, reminding those forgetful shoppers about their almost purchases. Genius. Next, let's talk about social media integration. With Ecwid, you can sell directly on Facebook, Instagram, and even TikTok. That's right, no more redirecting customers to a separate website. Seamless shopping experience? Check. But wait, there's more. Ecwid also offers built-in SEO tools to help your store rank higher on Google. The more eyes on your products, the more sales you make. It's basic math, folks. These are just a few of the many features that make Ecwid a money-making machine. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring and watch the dollars roll in. Section 4. Getting customers hooked, marketing magic. Building a killer online store is just the first step. Now, you gotta get people through the virtual doors. Don't worry, I've got the marketing magic to make it rain customers. First up, social media is your best friend. Create engaging content, run contests, offer exclusive discounts, get creative. The more buzz you generate, the more people will flock to your store. Next, email marketing is still king. Build an email list and start sending out newsletters, promotions, and new product alerts. Keep your customers in the loop, and they'll keep coming back for more. Don't underestimate the power of influencer marketing. Partner with social media stars in your niche and have them spread the word about your awesome products. It's like word of mouth on steroids. Remember, marketing is all about getting your brand out there and connecting with your target audience. So get out there, hustle hard, and watch your customer base grow. Section 5. Running your Ecwid empire. Tips from a pro. Congratulations, you're now the proud owner of a thriving Ecwid empire. But hold your horses, running a successful online business takes more than just setting up shop and calling it a day. First and foremost, customer service is king. Respond to inquiries promptly, address concerns with a smile, and go above and beyond to make your customers feel valued. Happy customers equal repeat business. Inventory management is key. Keep track of your stock levels, anticipate demand, and avoid those dreaded out-of-stock notifications. Nothing turns off a customer faster than not being able to get what they want. Don't be afraid to experiment with different marketing strategies. What works for one business might not work for another. Track your results, analyze the data, and constantly optimize your approach. Remember, running a successful online business is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, stay motivated, and never stop learning. Section 6. Time to cash in. Your $300/daydream awaits. So there you have it, folks. The blueprint to building a $300 a day online empire with Ecwid. We've covered everything from setting up shop to marketing like a pro. Now it's time to put your newfound knowledge into action. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. but trust me, the rewards are well worth it. Imagine waking up every day, checking your sales figures and seeing those digits climb higher and higher. That's the power of Ecwid. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality.